Let me call him. So connect. The court is
He's
already
supposed to know that the court is sitting 10 o'clock. It's not a question of calling him now. He's supposed to know the court is sitting 10 o'clock. He doesn't need to be called because they have been given hearing notices. Not today.
Yes.
They have been notified well in advance.
Please,
Well
the
in
court
advance.
is already.
And it's 10 minutes past 10 now. 10 minutes past 10.
Sorry, my lord. I have put call to the claimant counsel, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the claimant counsel told me that he's having issue with the internet connection, that is trying to log in to join the meeting.
Sorry. I'm not online. I've been able to join. The claimant counsel is online, sir. I've joined now. So sorry. My lord, I've joined.
So announce your appearance. Let me hear you.
Yes, my lord. C.I. Mwihuru.
C.I.
C.I. Mwihuru. My lord, I appear for the claimant. Sorry, sir.
What are your initials? Let me hear you properly.
C.I. my lord. C.I.
Yes.
My lord, I appear for the claimant. So sorry, my lord. I had an issue with my internet login.
Very well. Who is appearing for the defendant?
My lord, Reginald Uzoechi used to appear for the defendant.
Now let him announce his appearance. Now you have done your own. Let me hear him.
So sorry.
Let me hear him. I'm done with you.
Thank you, my lord.
Let me hear him. Registrar, where is defendant's counsel? Have you contacted him?
Yes, my lord. He's online now. He just logged on, my lord.
But we said 10 o'clock. Why should they be doing it well inside 10 o'clock?
Yes, my lord. He's online now, my lord.
So tell him to announce his appearance.
Yes, my lord.
If he has logged on, he should have heard what I am saying, and he should have announced his appearance. Counsel to defendant or counsel for defendant. Can you announce your appearance, please? You say he has hooked onto it, and I can't hear him. He has logged onto it, and I can't hear him. So which kind of login is that? Well, what is the business of the day today?
My lord, it is for motion. Motion for amendment, my lord. Yes, my lord. My lord, the last time we filed a motion to amend our reply to statement of defense and defense to counterclaim. But my
What
lord,
was your reason for what is the reason for your application?
my lord, to bring in a document. There are documents which we intend to rely on. And my lord, when the motion came up, the defense counsel objected that the amendment is overreaching. And we have to adjourn for today, my lord, that they intend to file a defense, counter affidavits. My lord, the court also guided us, and we took the tip of the court. We have removed that paragraph which the counsel objected to, and only pleaded a paragraph to bring in the documents. We have refined the motion and removed all the paragraphs which the defense counsel objected to, and the courts also see that a paragraph as abuse of court process. We remove those paragraphs, my lord, and only bring in one paragraph, a sentence that bring in the 3 documents which we intend to tender. Yes, my lord.
Let me hear from. Let me confirm that he's there first.
My lord.
My lord, be pleased.
Yes.
My lord, I'm sorry, I'm having issue with my connectivity. I'm reaching out Ozechi for the defendant.
That is the more reason why you should have started before 10 o'clock. If you started like 10 minutes to 10 o'clock.
I'm sorry, my lord.
By 10, I'm sure you would have fixed your server. If you say you will wait till 10 o'clock, you definitely will have issues. In this thing, you always start before the time fixed for sitting.
You're properly guarded, my lord.
Okay, so claimant's counsel, you can proceed now.
Yes, sir. My lord, I said it is for motion for amendment. My lord, we earlier filed a motion for amendment dated 7th of December 2022. Yes, my lord. On the day the motion came up, my lord, the court gave us a tip that the amendment is overreaching.
Dated what? You said it dated what?
7th of December 2022.
Proceed.
Yes, my lord. The motion, when it came up for hearing, my lord.
Please proceed with your motion. Proceed with your motion. Don't tell me stories. Proceed with your motion.
My lord, we refined another motion, my lord. We refined the motion. The one we intend to move now is the one dated 2nd of March 2023. 2nd of March 2023. Now we intend to withdraw the earlier one.
Yeah.
Yes, my lord. Now with the leave of court, the motion is praying the court for an order as contained in the face of the motion paper.
And what is the order saying?
So sorry, my lord.
What is the order saying? What is it saying?
My lord, the order is praying for another granting leave to the claimant applicant to amend his reply to the statement of defense.
I am recording that, so you have to go at the pace I will follow.
So sorry.
Praise for an order granting
Granting leave to the applicant, to the claimant applicant to
yes,
amend
yes,
his reply to statement of defense and defense to counterclaim
yes,
in the terms and manner set out and underlined in the proposed amended reply to statement of defense.
yes,
And defense to counterclaim.
yes,
Here to attach as Exhibit A.
yes,
Another B, an order granting leave
an order granting
leave to the claimant applicant
yes,
to file additional list of documents
yes,
and additional statement on oath of Peter
of who?
of
Peter,
Peter Chukwuemeka Nwafọ, that's Clement.
yes,
C, my lord.
yes,
Another deeming the amended reply to the statement of defense
yes,
and defense to the counterclaim.
yes,
Additional list of documents
yes,
and additional statement on oath of Peter Chukwuemeka Nwafọ,
yes,
already filed and served
yes,
as properly filed and served.
yes,
My lord, the motion is supported by 9 paragraphs affidavit.
yes,
Deposed to by the claimant himself on record.
yes,
My lord, the motion is attached with, annexed with exhibit A, one exhibit, my lord, marked as
yes,
exhibit A. My lord, we rely on the exhibits and all the paragraphs of the count of the affidavits.
yes,
My lord, we also find a written address in support of the motion.
Yes.
My Lord, we adopt the address as our arguments. And we urge my Lord to grant the application. My Lord, we are grateful.
Counsel to the defendant.
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, we were served with the application on Friday.
Yes.
On Friday, 3rd day of March 2022. We do not intend to oppose the application, my Lord.
What was the date?
The date of
On
service?
Friday.
Yes, Friday, 3rd March,
Yes.
2023.
Very well.
Thank you, my Lord.
You're welcome. So this is my ruling. In the absence of any opposition to claimant's application, and having considered the processes filed, the affidavit in support of same, and arguments canvassed in the written address, I'm inclined to grant this application. Relief A and B are accordingly granted as prayed. The said processes are accordingly deemed as properly filed and served. As so ordered.
As call, please. My Lord, we are grateful.
Yes.
Very grateful, my Lord.
Yeah. What next?
My Lord, we'll be asking for date for continuation of hearing.
Registrar, look at your diary there if you have, and
Yes, my lord.
see what date is convenient.
Yes, my lord. My lord, 23rd of May, 2023. 23rd, 23 May,
Okay.
2023.
Very well.
That the matter be transferred from Awka.
Okay.
We'll find us about it. Doesn't have it.
The Benin is closer.
So this matter is adjourned to the 23rd day of May, 2023 for continuation of hearing.
As copies.
As the court
And all
please.
are grateful for indulgence.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, So number 2, Amechi Chinedu and 7 others versus Fidelity Bank PLC, NICN, Awka 57, 2022. Appearances of counsel. NICN Awka /57/22, 2022. Chinedu and others versus Fidelity Bank PLC. Appearances of counsel. Registrar, what is the position of this matter? Is our counsel not notified?
My lord, the counsel for the claimant is aware of today's date. I spoke to him on phone yesterday, and I forward the meeting ID and the passcode to his line yesterday, my lord.
Okay, I'll go with you.
Any appearance for the claimant? Did you call him to confirm whether he has joined us?
Okay. Let me
Yes, my
see.
lord. I want to call his number now.
Okay.
Yeah. But I see you. I'm saying it's me.
My lord,
Yes.
I've put call to the claimant council.
Uh-huh.
My lord is trying to log in and join the meeting, my lord.
Didn't you tell him when the court was sitting?
Yes, my lord, he's aware.
And then why should he be even trying to log now?
My lord,
When
according to
it
claimant,
is like 10:30, 10:39,
yes,
40
my lord,
minutes after court sitting.
according to the claimant council, my lord, today will be the
Yeah.
first time he will use Zoom. So he doesn't understand how the Zoom meeting goes, my lord.
That's why he should have started earlier to be on time.
Yes, my lord.
Wow. So the time now is 10:40. The matter is still down till 11 o'clock.
And the court pleases.
As the court pleases.
Matter is still down till 11 o'clock. So we'll call him again.
As the
11
court
o'clock.
pleases.
Yes. Because some others may be waiting and there's no need for us to keep them waiting. So we're calling this case now NICN/Asaba/31/2022 Corporal Famous Osakwe versus Police Service Commission and two others. Osakwe versus Police Service Commission and two others. Appearances of counsel. Corporal Famous Osakwe versus Police Service Commission and two others. NICN/Asaba/31/2022. Appearances. Registrar, try calling the claimant's counsel.
Yes, my lord. My lord.
Yes.
I called the claimant counsel.
Yes.
My Lord, he said he's having issue with the Zoom. The audio on his computer device is not working.
Okay.
My Lord, he's online. He's listening to us, but he cannot speak to his device.
So let's give him a date that when we are sitting in a Sabbath so that he will come. Any date?
Yes, my Lord. 26th day of April, 2023.
On the 26th April?
Yes, my Lord.
Okay. So this matter is adjourned to the 26th day of April, 2023 for further mention. Hearing notice be issued and served on counsel to the defendants or on the defendants personally, if not represented. Proof of service of same be filed in the case file before the next adjourned date.
As the court places.
So you will also call counsel to the claimant and tell him, let him ensure that the defendants are served hearing notice.
Yes, my Lord.
Okay.
Yes, my Lord.
So the next one is NICN Asaba 33/2022. Incorporated trustees of Center for Transparency and Defense of Human Rights versus the Attorney General of Delta State and 3 others. Appearances of counsel.
My lord, sir.
Yes.
My lord, I'm sorry, the audio disappeared when my lord was speaking. But I also want to verify if my lord said incorporated trustees for Center for Democracy.
Incorporated trustees of Center for Transparency and Defense of Human Rights.
That's our case, my lord. With humility, my lord. A.E. Ogunli. A.E. initials, my lord. Ogunli is O.G.
Yes.
U.N.
Yes.
L.I.
UN what?
U.N.L.I. L for Lagos, I for international.
AEOGUNLA.
No, O.G. O.G. as in organization, O.G.
Yes.
U.N.
Yes.
N for Nigeria.
Yes.
L.I. L for Lagos, I for international.
Yes.
Lord, I appear for the plaintiff in this matter.
We call them claimants.
Very well, my lord. I appear for the claimant, my lord, and the claimant is here present with me.
Yes.
My lord, we...
Most respectfully, my lord.
Yes.
D.G. Ole, Mrs.
Sorry, the initials again.
D.G. for D.G. for Director General.
Uh-huh.
Ole. O-double-L-E-Y.
O-double-L-E-Y.
Yes, my lord. Mrs.
Yes. Yes.
Appearing with me, my lord, is A.A. Daffy. Miss.
Yes.
And A.C. Zeno. A.C. Ezo.
Yes.
Miss.
Yes.
My humble appearance is for the 3rd and 4th defendant applicant.
For the
3rd and 4th defendant applicants.
sorry, I didn't get the defendants you are representing properly.
3rd and 4th, 3 and 4
Yes.
defendants applicants.
Yes.
Well, we have a very harmless application before my lord. We have served all the parties.
Any representation for the 1st and 2nd defendants?
I am not sure there is a representation, my lord. The 4th defendant is here present. The 4th defendant, Beauty Emmanuel Efe, she's present.
The 1st defendant?
The 4th, number 4 defendant, okay. She's present.
And what you are representing them? You are representing him. That's him.
Yes, we are representing the third and the fourth.
I have recorded that already.
As the court pleases, my lord, we have a harmless application before my lord.
Who says it is harmless?
Wait, my lord.
My lord, it is just a motion for extension of time, my lord. And it's very harmless.
No, that's all right.
My lord, the motion is dated 23rd
When
day
did you
of
file
January.
it? Wait. When did you file it?
We filed it on the 23rd day of January.
And you have served it on the claimant's counsel?
The plaintiff, the claimant, and the first, yes, and the first and second defendants counsel. The first and second defendants at their office.
Yes, what's your application about?
It is a motion for extension of time, my lord. To file the third and fourth defendants' joint statement of defense. My lord, I'm deeming the already filed joint statement of defense as being properly filed and served.
Yes.
Well, I just want to inform my lord that it was after we have filed the said process that we were told by the registrar of the court that we did not pay default fees. It was inadvertent, my lord. We are greatly sorry. We're deeply sorry about that. But we have already sent the default fees to the registrar of the court this morning. We have sent the default fees to the registrar of the courts this morning. My lord, the motion is supported by a 14-paragraph affidavit.
Yes.
I just want to confirm if my lord can hear me because the audio here is. Thank you, my lord.
Yes.
It is supported by a 14-paragraph affidavit deposed
Did you hear
by.
me say yes? Yes.
My lord.
Go on, the court can hear you.
Yes, my lord. It is disposed by a litigation secretary in the law firm of the third and fourth defendants, applicants. We rely, my lord, on all the paragraphs of the deposition thereof. My lord, we also in support of our motion.
Yes.
My lord, we adopt the same written address as our argument in respect of this application.
Already.
Yes.
We are grateful, my lord.
That's all?
That's all, my lord.
Oh. You say you adopt your written address as your argument.
As our argument in support of our application for extension of time.
Yes.
We beg to move, my lord. We are grateful.
Counsel to claimant.
My lord, sir.
Yes.
My lord, ordinarily, we did not file anything in opposition to this application. And ordinarily, we will not be opposed. But my lord, this issue of non-payment of default fees, which was just transmitted today, my lord, until that said money, the said money is confirmed to be in the federal government's account, then there really is no motion to be moved. That is our worry. Until there's a receipt showing that the money has entered the federal government's account via the regular process, so there is really no motion to be moved. It means the motion is not yet ripe, not even competent, my lord.
Well, what is your authority for that?
My lord, we don't have any authority at hand, but my lord, the rules.
And you are not even, wait, you are not even factoring in what you are saying, the discretionary authority of the presiding judge.
No, my lord, of course, the court's discretion is always superior, but it's our duty to draw it to the court's attention so that the court can exercise its discretion either way, my lord. If it is my lord's short to decide discretion in favor of proceeding, then by all means, my lord, we have the court's wisdom.
Okay.
Very beautiful, sir.
Yes. You have a point there anyway.
Also, my lord, if I may. My lord, sir.
Yes.
If I may, prayer 2, my lord, talks about deeming. But my lord, no separate statement of defense was served on us. What was served for us was only the motion. So we do not have a clean copy of the statement of defense. That's with regards to prayer 2, my lord. Another deeming as properly filed and served, my lord. With no separate statement of defense, no clean copy of the statement of defense was served on us. What we have here is just the motion and the exhibits attached. No clean copy.
Wait, the exhibits attached, do they include the said statement of defense?
Yes, my lord.
Well, I hope counsel to the second, third and fourth defendants is hearing all of this.
Well, we filed and served both the motion and the statement of defense. We filed and served them together. So if counsel is saying that it was not served with the statement of defense, then I'm surprised. But then you just confirmed that the statement of defense is attached to the exhibits.
Well, what I confirm is that it is attached as an exhibit. An unfiled copy was exhibited in the motion. It is that unfiled copy that I have. I do not have a filed clean copy. So that creates a problem for prayer 2.
The statement of defense is attached as exhibit PAE1, and that is what we are deeming as being filed and served, not a clean separate copy. It is a statement of defense that we attached as exhibit PAE1 that we are deeming to be filed, properly filed and served on the parties. And you have confirmed that you have it there, my lord. He has confirmed, my lord, that he has it there with him.
Oh, my lord, I think the counsel is misconstruing the rules of court and the law on the issue, my lord. Because, my lord, an exhibit, an unfiled document, an unfiled exhibit cannot become a process of court. It cannot become a process of court, my lord. What we have here is an exhibit attached to a motion, which said exhibit is not filed. The prayer 2 is saying the said exhibit, which was not filed, should be deemed as properly filed, my lord. It was not filed. So how are we going to deem it as properly filed and served when there is no properly filed and served document?
The counsel is.
The procedure.
This is my ruling. Please, gentlemen, listen to me.
As a please.
The application of counsel to the third and fourth defendant seeking extension of time to file their statement of defense, not having been opposed, is granted as read.
As
it is further ordered that the proof of payment of the default fee and a clean copy of the statement of defense is served if served has not yet been served. If same has not yet been served. If same has not yet been served. The said process are accordingly deemed as properly filed and served, and I so order.
As the court pleases. I'm most grateful, my lord.
My lord, sir.
What next? What next now?
My lord, just one issue, my lord. Just one tiny issue, my lord. My lord, if okay, my lord, let's take a date, my lord. Let's take a date. It will be a date, my lord. Let me just not go into that one. Maybe when we meet in court, we'll address the other issues I have, my lord. If my lord will be kind enough to give us a date.
A date for what?
My lord, for PA, my lord.
Is the registrar there?
Yes, my lord.
What was hearing notice issued and served on first and second defendants?
No, my lord. The first and second defendant, they have not filed any process in this suit, my lord.
What I'm saying is that were they issued and served hearing notice for today's sitting?
No, my lord.
Give me a date. For further mention.
Okay, my lord.
Because if the claimant in this suit did not bother to communicate with the first and second defendant, they need to be aware of today's proceedings.
Yes, my lord.
Because they are the one dragging the first and second defendant to court.
Yes, my
So
lord.
they have a duty to ensure that the defendant, the first and second defendants are in court today. If those steps were not taken, then we will take a date for further mention.
Yes, my lord.
Because first and second defendants are not aware of today's mention. Give me a date.
27th day of April, 2023. 27th April, 2023.
So this matter is adjourned to the 27th day of April 2023 for further mention. As first and second defendants were not notified of today's court sitting, hearing notice be issued and served on the first and second defendants. Proof of service of same be filed in the case file before the next adjourned date.
As the court
As
pleases.
the God pleases, we're most grateful, my lord.
Very good.
Welcome.
Welcome. The next adjourned date will be a virtual hearing or being a my lord.
Asaba.
Very good, sir.
Yeah.
We say the court lost leave to vacate the court.
You are free to vacate the court.
And then I also seek your permission to vacate the court.
Granted as prayed.
As a God pleases, most grateful.
Yes.
But I always send the hearing notice in English. Let me read.
Registrar, are you there?
Yes, my lord.
Have you contacted the counsel to the claimant in number this Amechi Chinedu and 57 others? This is Fidelity
Yes, my
Bank?
lord. My lord, the claimant counsel informed me that he needs somebody to put him through. That he doesn't understand how to
So
use Zoom.
even wait,
Because,
we'll just take an adjournment for further mention.
yes, my lord.
But
My lord, 4th day of April, 2023.